The New Yorker reported that a law enforcement official believes that suspicious activity reports related to the transactions by Michael Cohen, President Trump's personal attorney, are missing from the Treasury Department's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network database. And I would like to submit for the record this article entitled "Missing Files Motivated the Leak of Michael Cohen's Financial Records." I'd like to submit that for the record.
Without objection, that will be made a part of the record.
Thank you. There is a lot that we don't know about this story, but the article, I need that for a second. The article, thank you, indicates that searches of the database failed to return 2 previous suspicious activity reports referenced in a 3rd suspicious activity report filed by First Republic Bank related to Michael Cohen's account for Essential Consultants. The details of the first and 2nd suspicious activity reports are unknown, but their absence from the FinCEN database is a matter that is rightly within the jurisdiction of this committee. This committee must examine both Treasury Department and Justice Department policies and procedures related to the retention of and access to suspicious activity reports to ensure that law enforcement officials are able to conduct their work without interference. That's the reason, Mr. Chairman, that I'm making this request for a committee hearing on the policies and procedures regarding the retention and access to these records so that law enforcement can do its job. And, Mr. Chairman, we should give Secretary Mnuchin the opportunity to testify under oath, whether in public or a closed session, in order to understand why 7 former government officials and other experts familiar with the Treasury Department's FinCEN database expressed varying levels of concern about the missing reports. We have an obligation, Mr. Chairman, to do our job, and we must understand what is happening here, and we can do it by simply doing the work that our constituents expect us to be doing in this committee, and that is conducting the necessary oversight that we ought to be engaged in. And I will submit this letter to you and hope very much that we're able to have that important hearing and that we're able to schedule it soon. And I yield back.